Hello everyone, here's a video to show you how to make face masks. I actually thought of making this video because in so many cities the urgent need of mask is required and they are pleading to people to help provide some. So I've got two cotton materials, my fleece lining and then two elastic bands. The width is 6.2 and the length is 9.2. The two is just seam allowance for the sewing. And my elastic bands are 7 inches long. To start, I'll just lay down my fleece lining and then I'll lay down the next cotton fabric. I'll be facing the better side upwards, and then my elastic bands, just watch as I do it. And then I just clip them together, the four sides. After clipping them together, I just bring my second cotton fabric and I'll be facing the better side to the other fabric down. As you can see, I'm done clipping and I'm gonna just go ahead and start sewing. And I'll be starting my sewing from the middle part because I'm gonna be leaving some space there to turn it out later. And when I get to where my elastic bands are, I just double sew because I want them to be very firm. When I'm done sewing, I just trim out the excess from the four sides of the fabric. Just turn it out and then push out the edges a bit with your finger, or you can also use a pencil and then iron it out. Don't worry about the space. When we're done ironing and sewing, it will definitely cover up. And now I'm carefully folding it out. Please watch and see, and please fold it the same way. As you can see, I'm done sewing. This is the mask. Please, if you have a sewing machine, you can also help the society. You can also join this race, fight against this coronavirus. Thank you for watching.